Hey guys, what's going on? So if you're here right now, I already know you're probably tilted because Dota 2 is doing that thing again where it just refuses to work. You queue for a match, everything looks normal, the match gets found, you see the player color bars at the top and you're like, alright, cool, game's about to start, and then boom, black screen. Nothing loads, the game just sits there, disconnects you, and then Dota hits you with that lovely message saying, disconnected from server, we stopped receiving communications from the remote host. And the worst part is, after that, matchmaking gets disabled like it's somehow your fault, even though it literally didn't do anything wrong. This happened to me multiple times, and trust me, I tried reconnecting, restarting, waiting, everything, nothing worked. So if this is happening to you, just relax for a second, because this is not your GPU dying, it's not your PC exploding, and most of the time it's not even your internet. First thing I tried, and honestly you should try this right away, is lowering the graphics settings. I know it sounds dumb, because Dota 2 isn't even a heavy game, but during the draft and loading phase, the game does a lot of stuff in the background. So go into your settings, drop the graphics to low or medium, apply it, restart the game, and just test it once. For some people, that alone fixes the black screen completely. Now if that didn't work, the next thing I did was deal with Steam Overlay, because Steam Overlay and Dota 2 love to fight each other. So close the game, open Steam, go into settings, click on in-game, and turn off Steam Overlay while in game. Reopen Dota 2 after that and queue again. I know a lot of people who fixed this issue just by doing that one thing. Now here's the part that was actually the fix for me personally. I was running the game on 8GB of RAM, and yes, before anyone comments, I know Dota 2 can run on 8GB, it launches fine, it plays fine, but in my case, when the match was found, the game just couldn't load properly and kept disconnecting during that black screen. After I upgraded my system to 16GB of RAM, the issue completely disappeared. No more black screen, no more disconnects, and no more matchmaking bans for no reason. So if you've tried everything else and you're still on 8GB, upgrading to 16GB can really help with stability and prevent this from happening again. And just to be clear, I'm not saying this is the only cause for everyone, but for me, this was the final fix that stopped the problem completely. So yeah, if you're stuck in that loop where Dota keeps disconnecting you and punishing you for it, try these things before you lose your mind. This issue is super annoying, especially when you just want to play one game and Dota says no. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like, it really helps the channel. And if you're still having the issue, leave a comment and let me know what you've tried. I'll read it and try to help you out. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.